The metal detectors that could make you rich are right here. Who knows? You might be the one to uncover the greatest treasure hidden deep in history. Today, we're diving into the top 5 metal detectors on the market and helping you find out which one is the perfect fit for you. Ready? Let's get started. Number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Nocta Macro Simplex Plus, one of the best bang-for-your-buck metal detectors out there. Running on 12 kHz VLF, very low-frequency technology, this detector is capable of detecting both small and large metals with impressive accuracy. With a fully waterproof design up to 5 meters, it's perfect for beach, lake, and river hunts, while its IP68 certification ensures maximum protection against dust and dirt. The 4 search modes, all metal, park, field, and beach, allow for optimal detection across various terrains. Plus, with automatic and manual ground balance, it performs well in both highly mineralized soil and low conductivity ground. The 11-inch DD search coil provides wide coverage and better depth detection, while the iron discrimination mode helps filter out unwanted junk metals. You can also adjust sensitivity to enhance target signals. For added convenience, wireless headphone support offers a tangle-free experience, and the vibration alert mode is a great feature for underwater use or users with hearing impairments. The built-in LED flashlight makes nighttime or low-light searches a breeze. Powered by a 2,300 mAh lithium polymer rechargeable battery, the Simplex Plus delivers up to 12 hours of use on a single USB charge. Weighing just 1.3 kilograms, it's lightweight and comfortable, even for long detecting sessions. If you're looking for a waterproof, feature-packed, and budget-friendly metal detector, the Simplex Plus is hands down the perfect choice. Number 4. We're stepping up to the next level with a deep dive into the Garrett AT Pro. This versatile detector runs on 15 kHz VLF very low-frequency technology, delivering exceptional performance both on land and underwater. With a fully waterproof design up to 3 meters, it's the perfect choice for divers, lake and river hunters, and beach searchers. The manual and automatic ground balance features allow it to adapt smoothly to different levels of mineralization, ensuring stable and accurate detection. Pro Audio mode provides detailed audio feedback, giving you more information about the target's depth and conductivity. With 40 levels of sensitivity adjustment, you can fine-tune it to match various ground conditions for optimal detection. The 8.5-inch by 11-inch PRO-Formance DD waterproof search coil lets you scan large areas quickly, while optional deep-seeking coils offer even more customization for advanced searches. Plus, the headphone jack supports waterproof headphones, so you can take your hunts anywhere. If you're an intermediate user looking to step up your game, or you need a powerful detector for both land and underwater searches, the Garrett AT Pro delivers superior target separation, high sensitivity, and full waterproof capability, making it an excellent choice. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the XP Deus 2, and this detector is truly a technological marvel. As the world's first fully wireless metal detector, the XP Deus 2 features fast multi-frequency technology, operating across a wide range from 4 kHz to 45 kHz. This allows it to detect both deeply buried large metals and small gold particles close to the surface with impressive precision. With a fully waterproof design up to 20 meters, it's the perfect choice for divers and underwater treasure hunters. The IP68 certified control unit and headphones ensure reliable performance even in harsh weather conditions and underwater environments. Weighing only 750 grams, the XP Deus 2 is one of the lightest detectors on the market, making it comfortable for extended use without fatigue. Equipped with 12 factory preset search modes, it adapts to any terrain or condition effortlessly. The automatic and manual ground balance feature prevents performance loss in highly mineralized soils, while the reactivity setting allows for fast signal processing, making target separation in iron-rich areas much easier. Additionally, the digital target ID, 0 to 99 scale, gives you detailed insights into the type of metal detected. If you're looking for a lightweight, portable, fast, and completely wireless detector, the XP Deus 2, with its wide frequency range, waterproof design, and advanced discrimination capabilities, is undoubtedly one of the best choices out there. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the Minelab Equinox 800, a model that stands out for its versatility. Thanks to multi-IQ multi-frequency technology, it simultaneously operates at 5, 10, 15, 20, and 40 kHz, allowing it to detect gold, silver, bronze, and other metals with incredible precision. This ensures maximum detection performance across different depths and ground conditions. It also offers single frequency mode, giving users the flexibility to target specific metals for a more customized search experience. With a fully waterproof design up to 3 meters, it's an ideal choice for beach, river, and lake hunting. The IP68 certified body ensures durability even in harsh weather and muddy environments. Its advanced ground balancing feature maintains stability in highly mineralized soils, minimizing false signals. Additionally, its wireless headphone compatibility and Bluetooth connectivity provide a tangle-free and convenient detecting experience. The Minelab Equinox 800 delivers top-tier performance in any environment thanks to its 25 levels of sensitivity adjustment, 50-segment target ID system, and 4 search modes: park, field, beach, and gold. Its fast recovery speed allows for precise target separation, even when objects are close together, and the iron bias feature helps filter out iron-containing junk, reducing unnecessary digging. Plus, its rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures uninterrupted use during long treasure hunting sessions. If you're looking for a high-performance detector that excels in all terrains, offers waterproof capability, multi-frequency detection, and precise target discrimination, the Minelab Equinox 800 is the perfect choice. Number 1. The winner of 2025 is the Minelab GPX 5000. One of the most powerful and deep-searching metal detectors on the market. Utilizing pulse induction (PI) technology, this detector is unmatched in detecting deeply buried metals and is considered one of the best in the world for gold prospecting. Equipped with MPS, multi-period sensing, DVT, dual voltage technology, and SATA, smart electronic timing alignment, it maintains stability and accuracy even in highly mineralized soils. The automatic and manual ground balance allows for quick adaptation to different terrains, while the noise cancel feature minimizes electromagnetic interference for clearer signals. With 6 different timing modes, the GPX 5000 offers the perfect balance between depth and sensitivity, adapting to various ground conditions. The fine gold mode detects even the smallest gold particles, while the salt gold mode ensures optimal performance in salty or highly mineralized soils. The deep mode is designed to locate large, deeply buried metals, and the iron reject feature filters out unwanted iron signals for a more efficient search experience. Additionally, the Minelab GPX 5000 comes with adjustable audio controls, a digital LCD screen, wireless headphone compatibility, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use, while the durable carrying case and multiple coil options enhance its versatility. Furthermore, its high-quality signal processing system reduces background noise, providing clearer target identification. The customizable search settings allow users to fine-tune their detection preferences, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. If you're a professional gold hunter or someone looking to find the deepest buried treasures, the Minelab GPX 5000 is the ultimate choice thanks to its advanced detection technology, depth capability, and superior sensitivity. Here are the top 5 metal detectors. So which model would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. See you in the next video.